We are living in a world of profound disruption, with changes happening rapidly every day. I'm sure all of you may be wondering, how are we ever going to be sustaining this high level of performance with all the pressure that are coming at us every single day? Some leaders, they flourish under pressure, while others fold. Why is that? Some may think that all we have to do is to think faster and work faster. Would that help? Research has shown that we cannot just develop our cognitive capacity from the neck up anymore. We need to develop ourselves as a whole person to build the full capacity in your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual wellness, so you can access to your internal peak state on demand. My name is Angie Wong, and I am an executive coach and the founder of Wong Global Leadership. I have been coaching and direct leadership programs all over the world the last 11 years. Prior to my coaching career, I was a corporate leader in the finance industry for more than 20 years. My passion is to support leaders in bringing their full self to leadership. We have developed an integral well-being program to inspire the full person transformation in leaders, to build and cultivate full capacity in your body, your mind, your heart, and soul, so you can thrive in the most difficult situation and emerge from it even stronger and healthier and ready for the next challenge. Our approach is rooted in neuroscience, in performance psychology, in the impactful work of Wendy Palmer leadership embodiment work, and also in Brené Brown's courage building work. Our program has 5 parts to it. We first start with your physical wellness to support you in building the resiliency in your body to recover from stress, to achieve your emotional and mental balance. Second, we help you to cultivate the mental wellness, to develop your mental strength and also healthy thoughts to actualize your leadership vision and intention. Third, we support you in building the emotional wellness to cultivate your emotional capacity to navigate through setbacks more effectively. Fourth, we support you in the spiritual wellness to tap into your deepest sense of purpose and values, to empower those you lead for sustained performance. Last, our integration module is to support you in building a roadmap to integrate all your learnings and also to develop your whole person well-being. If you are passionate in attaining your personal and professional transformation, I look forward to explore with you further.